Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Claire. Today I'm going to show you how I apply my strip lashes in a very quick and easy way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and well, let's dive right into it. Before we start, here is everything I'm using today. First, we have my strip lashes. Next, we have the glue for the lashes, and this is going to secure your lashes all day long. And then following, we have actually the tweezers here. Next is my little applicator, and finally a pair of scissors to trim my lashes so it fits my eye shape perfectly. So now I'm just going to use my lash applicator, and then I'm going to take a little bit of lash glue and then I'll place it directly under my lashes. Well, I did that off camera, and yes, I usually prefer applying my lashes right below my eyes because it feels more natural. So right now I'm just going ahead to place a little bit of lash glue on that lashes. So I'll put it at the tip of the lashes, and then right there it's already perfect. So yeah, so I go ahead and I use my tweezers to hold the lashes in place, and I make sure that the glue is actually nearly like very sticky. That way it's easy to apply. So right there, so make sure you place it perfectly where you want it to be. So me, I usually prefer putting my own lashes right from the very end. That way I get that cat eye look. And once everything is set, you just go ahead with your tweezers and then you press it down. This will actually make your lashes to be more natural, and yes, it's going to give you that very beautiful natural look. Meanwhile, you should be very careful while using the tweezers not to prick your eyes with them, because those tools can actually be very dangerous. So right here you can see one lash is gone, and then we're just going ahead to apply the next lash. And yes, it's actually basically the same procedure we are doing right here on the other side. And well, there again, we go ahead and we use the tweezers. Well, I really love this part because it just gives me that seamless look, makes everything set in place, you know. And well, that's the final look. Soft, pretty, and super easy, of course. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Meanwhile, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.